students. Today we are starting with another type of integrals. Integrals of the form. Let's start. Integrals of form px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Today we will start this type of integral. Let's start with question number 1. Integral of 2x plus 3 upon square root of x square plus 4x plus 1. First we will complete the derivative of the denominator. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 4x is 4 and derivative of constant term is 0. In the numerator we want this term. We have 2x, we want plus 4. So we will add and subtract 4 in the numerator. To complete the derivative of denominator, take 2x plus 4 as one term. Upon this we can write this term as power minus half. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 dx upon square root of x square plus 4x plus 1. Here we will complete the square. Half coefficient of x whole square. 2 square is 4. We will add and subtract 4. Here we will apply the formula. This is f dash x and this is f of x power n. What is the formula for integral of f dash x into fx power n? Is fx power n plus 1 minus half plus 1 is half minus complete the square dx upon x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 1 minus 4. 2 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 dx upon square root of x plus 2 whole square. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. We can write 3 as square root of 3 square. Square root of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square. Log of x plus 2 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus log of x. X here is x plus 2 plus square root of x square minus a square. We get x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Next is integral of x plus 2 upon square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. Integral of x plus 2 upon x square plus 5x plus 6. Complete the derivative first. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 5x is 5. Multiply and divide by 2 in the numerator. Now we want the term 2x plus 5. So add and subtract 5 in the numerator. Take 2x plus 5 as one term. Half 2x plus 5 into x square plus 5x plus 6 power minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 dx upon x square plus 5x plus 6. Add and subtract half coefficient of x whole square 25 by 4. Add and subtract this term. Here apply the formula f dash x into fx power n. Fx power n plus 1 x square plus 5x plus 6 minus half plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 integral of dx upon x square plus 5x plus 25 by 4 plus 6 minus 25 by 4. Half into 2 is 1. Square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 minus 1 by 2 dx upon x plus 5 by 2 whole square. Take the LCM. 6 into 4 is 24 minus 25 minus 1 by 4. We can write it as minus 1 by 2 whole square. Square root of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square, that is equals to log of x plus x square minus a square. X square plus 5x plus 6 plus c. Square root of 1 plus x upon x dx. Now here we have the term 1 plus x in the numerator and x in the denominator. First multiply it by 1 plus x into 1 plus x to remove the square root. 1 plus x upon square root of x plus x square. Now we have this type of integral. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of x is 1. Multiply and divide by 2 first. 1 by 2, 2x plus 2. Now add and subtract 1 here. We want 2x plus 1 as one term. 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 into x square plus x power minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by 2 integral of x square plus x. Now here add half the coefficient of x is 1. 1 by 2 square, half into 1. 1 by 4. Add and subtract 1 by 4 here. Now this is of the type f dash x into f of x power n. F of x power n plus 1 minus half plus 1 is half upon n plus 1. 1 by 2 integral of x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Complete the square. Now again apply the formula. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square square root. That is equals to log of x plus x square plus a square minus a square. Next is integral of square root of a minus x upon a plus x. First rationalize it. A minus x upon a plus x. A minus x into a minus x. A minus x into a minus x is a minus x whole square. Square and square root will be cancelled. A minus x upon square root of a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Now separate the terms first. A upon square root of a square minus x square minus x upon square root of a square minus x square. Now here we will apply the formula. A is constant. 1 upon square root of a square minus x square integral, that is equals to sin inverse x upon a. And here complete the derivative. A square is constant, derivative of a square is 0, and derivative of minus x square is minus 2x. So we take minus here, multiply and divide by 2. A sin inverse x upon a, we can write it as minus 2x into a square minus x square power minus half. This is again of the form integral of fx power n into f dash x. F of x power n plus 1, a sin inverse x upon a plus half a square minus x square minus half plus 1 by 2 plus c. A sin inverse x upon a plus square root of a square minus x square plus c. Now the next one is integral of x into a square minus x square upon a square plus x square dx. X into a square minus x square upon a square plus x square square root dx. First we put x square as t because we have derivative of x square here, 2x dx dt. X dx is dt upon 2 square root of a square minus t a square plus t. First rationalize it. Half square root of a square minus t a square plus t into a square minus t a square minus t. Same terms, square and square root will be cancelled. 1 by 2 a square minus t upon square root of a plus b, a minus b. A square, square already has square ka square minus t square. Again separate the terms here. A square upon minus 1 by 2t into a square square minus t square. A square is constant. Integral of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a. X here is t and a here is a square. Complete the derivative. Derivative of t square is 2t and constant term is 0. Here we have minus sign before t square. So minus 2t. Multiply and divide by 2 here. Now complete the derivative. F dash x into f of x power n. F of x power n plus 1 a square upon 2 sin inverse t upon a square plus 1 by 4 a square square minus t square n plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. A square upon 2 sin inverse t here is x square upon a square plus 2 into a4 minus x4 because t is x square. One by 2 Next question is integral of x upon square root of x square plus 6x plus 10. X square plus 6x plus 10. Now complete the derivative first. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 6x is 6. And derivative of the constant term is 0. To complete the derivative in numerator, first we will divide and multiply by 2. Now add and subtract 6 in the numerator. 1 by 2, 2x plus 6 is one term. Upon this x square plus 6x plus 10 power minus half. Minus 6 upon 2 dx upon square root of x square plus 6x plus 10. Add and subtract half coefficient of x whole square. 3 square is 9. Add and subtract this term in the denominator. This is our form integral of f dash x into f of x power n. F of x power n plus 1 half x square plus 6x plus 10 minus half plus 1 is 1 by 2. Complete the square here. Dx upon square root of x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 10 minus 9. A square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equals to a plus b whole square minus 3 integral of dx upon x plus 3 whole square. 10 minus 9 is 1. We can write 1 as 1 square. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square square root. Log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. Integral of 2x plus 1 upon square root of x square plus 2x minus 1. Complete the derivative. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. We want 2x plus 2 in the numerator. We have 2x, so add and subtract 2 here. Separate the terms. 2x plus 2 into x square plus 2x minus 1 power minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 dx upon x square plus 2x minus 1. Complete the square here by adding and subtracting half coefficient of x square 1. Add and subtract 1 here. This is of the form f dash x into f of x power n. F of x power n plus 1. X square plus 2x minus 1 minus half plus 1 is 1 by 2. Minus dx upon, add and subtract 1 here, plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Complete the square now. X square plus 2x minus 1 square root 2 into this minus dx upon square root of x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. We can write minus 2 as minus square root of 2 whole square. 2 into x square plus 2x minus 1 integral of 1 upon x square minus a square square root is equals to log of